it's a new business model that has never been offered at any type of scale on the London Stock Exchange within the UK. Now, we do have already a lot of UK investors. A large portion of our shares are held in the UK. But in international funds, and there's a lot of domestic funds that are looking for opportunities to invest into precious metals, and there doesn't seem to be the mining companies were much different than a mining company, much lower risk, much higher margins, much more risk friendly, and so it's just a unique business model that we think has got it's the time and the place to deliver it to London.
Hey, Randy, so let me throw some spanners at you. Why, if I'm a miner and I can go into the market while interest rates are as low as they are and borrow money, I can either raise it through debt or equity. And I think the price of silver and gold is only going to go up because of what the central banks are doing and fears about government excessive deficits. Why would I bother coming to you to take money from you when I've got alternative sources of financing?
Well, really what we do is most of our opportunities come from the base metal sector. So that means we go to the copper miners, the lead zinc miners, the nickel miners, and they all produce a little bit of byproduct precious metals. And it's really a non-core portion of their portfolio. So really, I characterize it as portfolio optimization. These companies are focused on expanding and growing their base metal sector. This is a non-core asset within their portfolio, this non-core byproduct of precious metals production. So we purchase it up front for a fair price at the time that we buy it off of these operators. And then we get the benefit of that production at a fixed cost on a continual basis going forward. And so it's quite appealing just from a portfolio optimization perspective. And the other side of it is when it comes to funding projects, streaming always improves the rate of return for the operator's shareholders. We always contribute a larger portion of the capital than what we actually take away in the revenue. And shareholders around the world are screaming for a better return on invested capital. Yeah. Streaming delivers that.